Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to combine two comparator blocks in one single network. So first, let's add a new network. Then go to the right side of the screen and under math operators, let's choose a less than functional block. Click and drag to our network. Then parallel to this block, I'll right click it and add a block in parallel. Then rename the triple interrogation mark with greater than. I'll delete this enable contact. There we go. And finally, let's add a coil. So what this logic does is compare a variable between a range. So let's say you have a water tank and you want to do some kind of logic with the water level, right? And you want to activate some, let's say, actuator or a pump in a specific level range, right? So you can use a less than block with a greater than block to specify this range. So before we test it, so let's assign our variables and I'll call it level. So let's say we have the water level. It's an integer. Then I'll assign water level. Whoops. Let me fix that. Now let's assign water level to the first input of both function blocks. So water level here and here. Now, we want to activate this coil when the water level is below 20 and when it's above 80. And let's call this coil, let's say, a pump, just for demonstration purpose. Okay, it's done. Now let's test our logic. Start the controller. And as you can see, the pump is already enabled, and that is because the water level is below 20. If we edit the value of the water level, let's say 30, which is between 20 and 80, it will disable the pump. And when it's above 80, let's say 81, it will enable the pump back again. And that's how you do a combination of the less than and greater than comparator function blocks in master tool. And I see you on the next video.